Hi viewers, welcome to our channel, An Umbrella Tech. Let's start the topic, how to post an URL link on Instagram. See this, you can redirect users to your website by clicking on the swipe up link on the post. Earlier, this option is available for 10,000 subscribers, or you need to post on bio. Now it's open for all. Please note, this feature is not available under Post, which is available only under Story. Now start Instagram, click on Story, then shoot your video or select from Gallery, then click on Smile Sticker, on top row beside text, AA button, then scroll down and check for link symbol, and click then type the URL or paste it, then click on Done. You can tap on link to change color and can move and keep wherever you want on the post. Then click on Share, Finish. It's a great feature from Instagram. Let's start using it and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it's useful. So, please like and share to be a part of sharing knowledge to reach more people. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to give your valuable feedback on comment section below to improve ourselves in coming future.